Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick hands-on with the Galaxy A30 smartphone from Samsung that was announced at the Mobile World Congress and that is soon going to come in India and the other markets as well. This phone comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus, that's the Super AMOLED Infinity-U display with a 1080 x 2340 pixels of screen resolution, and on the back there's a plastic back, but it is glossy and looks good if you project it against different light conditions. On the front is that large display with that top notch having the access only for the cameras, so that is why the company is calling it as the Infinity-U display, and there's a earpiece grill on the edge of it. And this is the Samsung's One UI that is based on the Android 9 Pie, and it comes with a much better interface, a much better performing interface, and also giving a better battery life than the usual TouchWiz UI that was present on the earlier devices. The Galaxy S9 Plus is a prime example of how things change there. This is the interface. These are the different settings that you get under the settings options. This is the Galaxy A30's About section, and there are two variants for this one. One coming with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, other with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB storage. And under the advanced features, there are quite a lot of features that you get here. Motion and gesture features, there's again a big list of those things here. There's double tap to wake, smart stay, smart alert, one-handed mode, finger sensor gestures as well are given here, and also the palm swipe to capture pictures. So those are present. There is game launcher, which is one of those good features from Samsung for recording games, for changing things when you're playing games, and changing the experience of that as well, and that is present here under the game launcher. Now coming to the cameras, this is a dual lens camera setup that you see on the back of the phone, and there's a 16 megapixel f1.7 camera with the face detection autofocus, and there's a secondary 5 megapixel camera with the f2.2 aperture. So this secondary camera is for the depth sensing, and there are quite a few features. That's live focus, pro mode, panorama mode, there's hyperlapse, and also the time lapse. And this is the selfie camera of the phone, which is a 16 megapixel camera again that comes with the f2.0 aperture, and it comes with those palm gestures for taking selfies. And the selfie quality doesn't seem bad at all, but we'll have to test out the cameras later when we actually get the devices for review. And when you enter into the video recording, both the cameras, that's the front camera and the rear camera, both offer 1080p full HD videos. There's no 4K video recording option given here, and that is because the processor here is Exynos 7885 octa-core chipset. That is with the 14 nanometer technology, and that is why you don't have the support for 4K videos. It's just 1080p videos that you can capture with this one. And there is a scene optimization, that is the option given in the camera app for making the colors better when you're taking pictures in different conditions. So this was a quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30. It does come in some different colors, and all of them look good with those with that glossy back. Though it's a plastic back, it's not glass, so you might see the scratches quite soon on this unless you wear a case on the phone. So these were our quick thoughts, the hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A30 that was announced at the Mobile World Congress here in Barcelona. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.